Which haircut drops 10 years fast? Modern razor shag with curtain bangs. Perfect for women with fine or medium hair who want instant crown volume and soft face framing texture without daily heat. Texturized curly bob shag. Ideal for natural curls needing defined shape, light movement, and a bouncy youthful lift around the jawline. Shoulder-length wolf shag hybrid. Great for thick hair types aiming to remove weight while maintaining length and achieving an edgy, effortless silhouette. Short pixie shag with micro fringe. Best suited for petite face shapes and women over 50 seeking a high-impact, low-maintenance wash-and-go statement look. Wispy layered shag for fine hair. Designed to build maximum optical density and movement for flat, fine hair textures looking for lively everyday bounce. Retro 70s feathered shag. A vintage-inspired style that softens strong features and offers playful, outward-swept volume around cheekbones. Long layered shag with bottleneck bangs. Maintains long hair appeal while adding modern crown texture and sweeping bangs that open up the eye area. Which hairstyle number in this video made the biggest impression on you? Let us know in the comments below. Choppy medium shag with see-through bangs. A trendy choice for round or square face shapes seeking vertical elongation and light, non-heavy brow coverage. Shaggy mullet with tapered sides. An edgy, fashion-forward option for women who love rock and roll chic vibes and defined facial structure. Soft French shag with micro bob length. Combines Parisian elegance with tousled textures, lifting features for a youthful, timeless appeal. Disconnected razor shag for thick hair. Extremely effective at thinning out heavy dense hair, while creating effortless airy movement that stays styled all day. Tousled shag with side-swept fringe. Flatters mature women by softly veiling forehead lines while directing attention straight to the eyes and cheekbones. Wavy lob shag with curtain layers. A flattering shoulder-grazing length that offers the perfect balance between casual beach waves and sophisticated volume. Which haircut style featured today is your personal favorite? Tell us the number down in the comments section. Short shag with feathered crown. Pumps instant structural volume into the top of the head, visually lengthening short face shapes effortlessly. Edgy asymmetrical shag bob. Ideal for creative personalities looking for a modern, fashion-forward twist on classic short layered cuts. Fluffy medium shag with wispy layers. Creates a soft, cloud-like texture around the face that softens sharp features and adds youthful warmth. Curly shag with full voluminous fringe. Embraces natural texture, framing eyes beautifully while keeping volume-weight balance throughout. Long shag with choppy face framing layers. Great for long hair lovers who want a refreshing youthful upgrade without sacrificing overall length. Messy shag Bixie Bob-Pixie hybrid. The ultimate short low-maintenance cut, delivering messy volume, texture, and immediate facial lift. Which shag style number transformed the look most dramatically for you? Leave your answer in the comments. Layered shag with curtain fringe and air waves. Provides maximum versatility and effortless movement for everyday chic styling that looks polished in minutes.